Your journey is not over. It was only a setback, not your whole journey. Every successful person had times in their life when quitting was easier than to be in the race. NEET didn't go when answer key check key scores are not up to the expectations. So, what to do? Scared of parents, okay? Scared of judgment. You study, but you are not getting that expected result, right? So, अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा है, so don't skip the video and watch till end. Look, the first thing that you should do is check your answer key thoroughly. Now, this is not that you should be calculating score too high or too low. You should be calculating approx accurate scores, the most closest to accurate, okay? And you know that how to calculate that. I will not go into that. There are many YouTube videos और आंसर की that are released by various institutes. तो आप इनमें से किसी में भी अपने आंसर की चेक कर सकते हैं and see whether what are you scoring actually or what is the closest score to your actual score. Okay, so this is the first step now, and you don't need to just calculate today only. You can do it tomorrow. Today, take rest. Now, tomorrow, calculate your score with a fresh mind. And if you are thinking that your paper didn't go well, और आपको लग रहा है कि मैंने तैयारी की थी उतना अच्छा नहीं गया, उतनी एक्सपेक्टेशन मेरी नहीं पूरी हो रही, तो आप अकेले नहीं, सबके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. After a bad exam, your brain start processing thoughts like I am bad, I am dumb, मैं बेवकूफ़ हूँ, मुझसे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, सब आगे निकल रहे हैं, and all that shit. Okay, so what you need to do? Calm down your brain and don't listen to any of its negative advice that is saying I am dumb, मुझसे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, सब आगे निकल रहे हैं. Don't listen to that shit. Your main focus is to calm down and see what to do next. Now, one bad exam doesn't decide your future, but if you're not taking a right step just after that, that will affect your future. Mind my words. Okay? A single sheet of paper can't decide your future is a truth, but it is a half truth. A single sheet of paper can't decide your future. If you are learning from that single sheet of paper and don't repeat the mistakes again. That is the whole truth we are talking about today. Social media is very dangerous in this situation. Now, you will see thousands of students who commenting that I scored 650, I scored 700, paper was very easy. And you'll be like, oh, am I the only one who is struggling? Am I the only one who is dumb and beautiful? Okay, so people will post that and you will judge yourself that मुझसे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, सिर्फ मुझे मुश्किल लगा था क्या, and all that. But you need to understand this is social media, okay, and you are living in a real world, not some virtual reality. So calm down and don't listen to that advices. If most of the doctors or most of the successful person are thinking that I will give up or I will not continue further, okay, then they will not be in the places that they are today. So what does it signify that a setback is just a feedback, not your whole story? I repeat, a setback is only a feedback, not your whole journey. Mind my words? Okay? So, what you need to do? As I told earlier, check the answer key, calculate your original score or nearest to original score. Then, after that, ask yourself few things. Now, what do you need to ask? Was it lack of revision? Was it wrong resources? Was it lack of NCRT or lack of practice and all that stuff? Okay? So, what you need to do? Ask yourself these simple questions and find the answer. Now, if you were a fresher or it was your first attempt, then definitely you should give it a try if you are willing to become a doctor. Okay? But if you have taken a fully committed year towards NEET, you have prepared to your full potential and still you are not able to score that up to your expectation or not able to get your dream college or government MBBS. So what you need to do, you can try your hand in some other profession if you are willing. If you are willing to become doctor only, then you can go prepare fully this time and become a doctor. But if you are tired and you internally don't want to be the part of this race again, and also scoring 200 to 300, then you can purchase up other promotion. Now, if you are scoring 400 to 550 plus, okay, and you have a chance that there were some mistakes that I made that can be corrected, then you should definitely take a draw. It will be worth it because you already know that what mistakes have you done, and you also have a good score, a decent score. So you will be able to eradicate the mistakes, and by the end of year, you will be hopefully getting a much better college next year. If you're not taking a drop, fine. But if you are willing to take a drop, then these points should be clear in your mind. First, calculate score and don't depend on result day, because already due to renit, time is very short. So you need to start your preparation as early as possible. Now, this was first part. Start your prep as early as possible. Number 2, look. Repeating the same mistakes again will ruin your whole year, even if you are studying 10 to 12 hours a day. So, main thing is eradicate your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and improve them. Okay. Studying 10-12 hours a day, repeating same mistakes will not work. You need to be act majorly, and your journey is not over because only a setback, not your whole journey. So, if you want someone who will analyze your mistakes, what mistakes you have made last year, okay, what was the problem, and you need someone to mentor you and guide you so that you don't repeat any of these mistakes again. So, you can prepare with me and join my mentorship program. Link is in the description. And for any further doubts, you can comment down and I will look after your problem. Thank you very much. All the best.